Who knows what all lies in the heart of nature? Such a question gives rise to curiosity, and a curious mind is a restless one. Two of such minds were of a couple of friends who had their eyes on the cliff of Varkala. Varkala was rumored to possess the rarest of diamonds ever found. However, it wasn't a cakewalk. The route to Varkala invited death on each step, but these two friends turned a perilous journey into a fun race. There were only two possible routes to get there, and each of them picked one to find out who gets there first. Explaining the pawns. This is a two-player game, and each player gets 5 pawns. 5 cowrie shells to determine how to move. Explaining the board. The board is a racetrack with a base for each player at point A and B, and a winning point L. Explaining the cowrie shells. The conditions for movements are as follows. 1 mouth up, introduce 1 pawn on starting square or move 1 square and play again. 2 mouths, move 2 squares. 3 mouths up, move 3 squares. 4 mouths up, move 4 squares. 5 mouths up, move 5 squares and play again. No mouths up, move 10 squares and play again. How to play? First square on the tail end near home is starting point for each player. Each player takes turn to throw all 5 cowries on the floor and move their pawns accordingly. The movements of the players are only for one purpose: reach the point L. Player 1 takes the following path: A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, D, L. Player 2 takes the following path: B, C, D, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, L. If a player's pawn lands on the square which is preoccupied by opponent's pawn, then the opponent's pawn is captured and the player gets extra turn to play. Also, player qualifies to finish the game. The captured pawn returns to his home and has to start all over again. Colored squares, that is C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, D, L, are safe places and pawns present there cannot be captured. More than one pawn can be present only at safe places and nowhere else. Extra turn. Whenever a 1, a 5 or a 10 is got during a throw of cowrie shells, the player gets to play again. When a player captures opponent's pawn, he gets an extra turn to play. During an extra turn, either the same pawn or other pawn can be played. Points to remember. Pawns of both players move in the same direction at 2 stretches, from C to D and then from D to L. A player should capture at least one opponent pawn in order to move his pawns into the inner stem of squares. Otherwise, he has to move another pawn or forfeit his turn until he captures an opponent pawn. If a player has captured once, he can bear off all his pawns. No limit to capture opponent's pawns. Winner, first player to bear off all his pawns wins the game. This race is brought down to a board game called Panchi. Let's start the race. So what is Panchi? Let us find out. Panchi is a family game from the era of the kings. Most exquisitely designed by the hands of the art-savvy Kalamkari women artisan. One set containing a game board, 2 sets of 5 counters each, and 5 cowrie shells. This game can help in strategizing and sharpens mathematical abilities of the players. Panchi is one of the many recreational board games that evolved from our culture. Get one yourself for a digital detox. Head to the link in the description or visit www.bhavyata.com.